In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your memberships on Whop. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for, so you can quickly see all the memberships connected to your account. Let's start from your main Whop dashboard. Go ahead and open your browser and log into your Whop account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home dashboard. This is your central hub on Whop, where you can see an overview of your activity, updates, and anything new that might be relevant to you. Take a second to make sure you're actually on the home dashboard page and not in a different section like settings or billing. Now, to find your memberships, you'll want to focus on the left-hand side of the screen. Look over to the left-hand column, which is the main navigation area. In this column, you should see different sections or headings grouped together. What you're specifically looking for is a section titled Joined. This Joined section is where Whop organizes the communities, products, or memberships that you are currently part of. If you don't immediately see the Joined label, scroll gently within that left column to reveal more options. Sometimes, if you have a smaller screen or lots of items, this section can sit slightly lower down. Once you spot Joined, you might see a few of your memberships listed right underneath it. Often, Whop will show a small preview of your most recent or most active memberships there. To see the full list instead of just a preview, look for a small link or button near that section that says See More. This is the key to expanding your view beyond just the first few items. Go ahead and click on See More. When you click it, the panel will expand or take you to a view where all of your memberships are displayed together. Now you'll be able to see all your memberships listed clearly in that left-hand column. Each membership should appear as its own item, often with a name and sometimes an icon or logo, making it easy to recognize what's what. From here, you can click into any specific membership to access its content, manage your access, or just double check what you're currently part of. That's all you need to do to check your memberships on Whop. Open your home dashboard, find the Joined section on the left, click See More,